Hey everyone, what's up? So we're up here in Balandra today. I'm here with Mr. Dumpling in his favorite swing, like a big child, and with Jono, who is Dumpling's babysitter, but they're really just two big children. What? Shut up. So we're actually heading to Balandra Basin or waterfall. We're not actually sure what the proper terminology or name is for it, and we've actually never been, so we're going to try and wing it and find it. We got some vague directions, but hoping for the best. So we're going to show you our directions, and hopefully that can assist you better in the future. Dumpling, are you ready to go?
Roger that.
Roger that? You're so close. Look how close you are. Dumpling. Oh, you're not Dumpling, you're Jono.
Say calling me Dumpling now.
Are you ready to go?
Yeah, let's go. Wow.
Hi guys, so we've reached a sign that's on the left hand side. It's very easy to miss, so you have to be careful when you're looking for it. It's called Alcindor Trace, and as you enter, you turn left and then immediately make a right hand turn, which John will show us now as we drive in.
Alright guys, so we've taken you this far. It seems like you're parking on a piece of private property, or outside a piece of private property. Let me show you what it looks like.
So over the fencing here.
Yeah.
So you can see that container.
Dumpling, bend over.
Alright guys, so we've just parked up as Jono showed you down there. And the directions that we got is that right after you park, you just turn off and go into a small trail in between some bamboo and bush and head straight down to the waterfall. We are not too sure if this is in fact the right trail. You can't see properly here, but there's a little kind of trail going down here. So look where the car is, and a little trail here. We may get lost and then have to come back out, or we may be right. So let's go and check it out to begin with, and we'll see where we go from there. Two, 3 minutes into the hike, it does seem to be a path. I will let you know that I nearly bust my tail about 3 times at the start of the hike. It didn't look muddy or slippery at all, but it had a lot of leaves, and those things nearly threw me down, so be very careful at the very beginning of the hike. It's been a while since we've done some useful plant identification with our local plant expert Jono here. So he's taking us through a little quick tour of some of the plants he's seeing around the area. We have this red plant here. I don't think we've ever seen this before.
Good color.
Good coloring. Would you say, what kind of plant is that?
There's a pineapple.
It's a pineapple for sure.
100%.
Is it ripe though?
No, it's not ripe. Not
ripe yet? So guys, remember when you see the wild pineapples in the bush, they're not ripe until they turn, what color do they normally turn from this bright red?
It's more like a rainbow color.
A rainbow color.
Yeah, it's a mixture of different colors.
That's right. So when you see it here, it's red. It's not ripe to eat yet. Normally pineapple becomes more rainbow-like, and that's when you can actually eat it off the trees, okay? So know your plants. Knowledge is power, guys. Thanks, Jono.
No problem.
And Dumpling's still with us. Woohoo! Here he comes. The cameraman. Wear your shoes. Look, look. Check Dumpling's shoes, everyone. Ridiculous behavior.
Sponsored by Nike.
Sponsored by what?
By Nike.
Nike. a steady, slow uphill, a little bit burning on your legs going on. Dumpling taking a rest there. Not overly difficult so far, but we actually don't really know how far we have to go in at this point. I will say that the mixture of leaves and kind of soft muddy ground are very slippery. Be very careful, wear good shoes if you have. Not like Dublin shoes. So we've just come out of a trail that's kind of covered by a really pretty forest canopy. It's a lot of jungle, but the trail is very clear cut and been quite easy so far. A little up and down, but nothing too dramatic. And then you come out of the banana trees and into this clearing here. You can see Jono in the distance there. So that's kind of cool, a nice change of scenery. Looks very, very manicured, huh?
It does.
What's going on here, Jono?
I don't know, I feel like there's private property in front there.
Okay.
And instead of passing through their land, we went the other way.
Okay.
That's why we might have had to go a little further.
So yes, there was private property where we parked down below. So I'm not too sure if we're passing through a piece of their land now and maybe they clear this area out a little bit. But anyway, we keep going and we'll see where we end up. Alright guys, so we need to put this quick update in here. We're still in the same spot as the last clip. Dumpling is now coming out of the bush where we came out. And you'll notice once you've come out that bush, you'll come to this clearing here. You can either go up that way, which is what we're going to do. And then there's left. But do not go here because down that way, I'm seeing like an open field. There seems to be like a little house and stuff. So that's clearly somebody's land. So when you come out the trail, unless I tell you otherwise in the video, you want to stick right. Keep going right once you come out of the bush. And that way you'll avoid going into what seems to be people's private property on the left. I did watch a few videos on this place before coming up here on YouTube, and a few did mention that you do in fact have to cross through a bit of a private portion of land. So just be respectful, of course, and then try to stay away from the actual properties and the homes and continue on to the waterfall.
Guys, it's been about 15 minutes and I am hearing something. I think we're very close. Alan, you seen anything?
Right? I think I can see it in the distance there. I think I've seen it down in the distance there.
Yeah,
Probably won't be able to see it so well from up here yet, but there's a rope coming down here. So I'm sure I'll let Jono and I kind of guide you, but you see the rope there? That's just to use for additional balance to get down to the waterfall itself. I've seen a really beautiful pool and a beautiful fall, so let's go down and check it out.
Alright guys, so when you meet up with the rope, you just want to take your time, hold on to the rope, have a steady footing, don't rush yourself, okay? You don't want to get injured so close to the prize.
Alright guys, so just a little note, as you come down to the last part here, it was actually a really easy hike. All of like 15 minutes and it's looking really beautiful. We're going to show it off. Just remember when you come down to the end here, it's a little muddy and a little rocky. Jono can show you here. So, not ridiculously challenging, but we always ask you to watch your step. I don't want anybody to get hurt coming to these places. Let me go and go again. So guys, we've arrived and it's actually really beautiful. It's a small kind of quaint little, I wouldn't call it a waterfall, more like a spring, but it has a fairly deep looking pool, which you can see here. Of course, we're going to explore how deep it is. You can see the sun is hitting me real hard through the trees right now. But yeah, it looks really nice to swim in. Looks pretty deep. So keep that in mind when you're coming here. We will check it out though, but it seems like there's a very immediate steep drop off into this pool. So non-swimmers beware. You don't know what we're doing?
Gotta go for a dip?
Time for a dip in?
Yeah.
Hot. And then maybe we'll take a little climb up to the top. You can do it, Dumpling! Alright, Jono, whenever you are ready. We are filming.
Just did a little bit of climbing beyond the initial waterfall and I have some pools going up, so I'm gonna keep on exploring. Show you guys what's up. Alright, so climbing up wasn't too hard. A little bit of effort went in it, to be honest though. So if you're not versed in climbing things, be careful. Right behind me is a little pool. One of many pools up here, and they have a full river coming on. It's real beautiful. This is a truly breathtaking river. I'm really enjoying this, and I haven't seen a speck of garbage for the entire time I've been here. I'm very impressed.
So Jono just gave us a little tour of up above the river, and you can just get a little glance of the pool that we just came from. We're on top here, and that's the main pool right there. Really beautiful. Jono, you like this place?
Real nice. It looked like an outer Jungle Book.
Jungle Book vibes. No, it really is cool though, and the water was so refreshing after the little small hike in this midday sun. Dumplings down there right now taking some pictures, so we're gonna have a little swim, and then yeah, we'll see you at the end of the video. Jono, what are you doing there?
I take a little jump.
You taking a little jump?
Yeah.
Jump
I'm gonna
on
record you doing it after too.
Nah, I jump in with the GoPro.
Alright.
Go for it. Belly flop?
Belly flop.
Well guys, I hope you enjoyed this little tour of Balandra Basin. It was really a beautiful little day. I actually felt so refreshed as the Jono and Dumpling come in and just dripping in this water, chilling underneath the little falls there. There's a little tree that's actually leaning in the falls that you could just go and relax on. Really nice, really simple, and absolutely beautiful. Just like many things in Trinidad that we're coming to find. Trinidad is filled with beauty. Please keep a clean scene. Don't mess up things, don't litter. Let we start that from now. Let we change as a nation. And with that said, I will give this waterfall in terms of beauty a 7 out of 10. In terms of difficulty, I would say maybe even a 4 out of 10. For the most part, it's really easy. Just a few minor up and down hills. A little slippery, but persons of, let's say, low level fitness could probably still achieve this. So check it out. Let you say goodbye to Jono there.
Bye guys.
Bye guys. Have a great week everybody. Peace.